Hello everyone, welcome back to Hastala Visa. There is an important update for Canada visa applicants in India. Applicants who have received passport request letter from IRCC can now submit their passports through VFS India. Here I have a copy of an email received by an applicant applying for study permit. Let me summarize the whole email into 10 points. Point number 1. Only applicants who have received passport request letter from IRCC will be receiving this email. Point number 2. An approximate amount of Rs 1064 plus package transmission, if applicable, has to be paid to VFS India. Contact VFS to know the complete charges that you are required to pay. Point number 3. This unique email confirmation has to be included with the passport request letter and the passport when you send it by courier. If the printout of the email is not included, it could be returned back to you without being processed. Point number 4. Blue Dart is the only approved courier service provider. Point number 5. The passport should be mailed directly to the VFS and not to the High Commission of Canada. Doing so may result in the High Commission rejecting the receipt of your passport. Point number 6. Please do not duplicate the email that you receive. It contains your unique UCI and application number. Also, do not transfer this letter to anyone else. Point number 7. Being granted the visa does not mean you will be able to travel immediately. Visit canada.ca to know the restrictions that is applicable. Point number 8. You can reach out to VFS through their email passportsubmission@vfshelpline.com, or else you can call on 022 68 53 9025 during working hours. Ensure that you mention your UCI or application number and your complete contact details. Point number 9. Processing times could vary, and once the stamping is complete, you will receive the passport by the two-way courier service. For status updates, you can contact the VFS and not the High Commission of Canada. Point number 10. The last important point. Watch out for fraudulent emails. Cases of fraud have been reported, so please be cautious. Remember, you will have to contact VFS first and arrange for the passport submission. Ensure that you use only Blue Dart courier service provider for submission of passport, and you pay the charges only to VFS India. That's all for today. Do let me know if you have any queries or suggestions or feedback or even criticism. The comment section is waiting for you. Have a great day ahead. Thank you so much.